Hi everyone, right, I've got double-sided satin in pale pink. I've cut 6 at 12 centimetres long by an I think it's 3.5 centimetres wide. 6 at 12 centimetres long, again at 1 inch wide, and the same one I've done 10 centimetre. And it's just the basic flower. I just thought we'll do something a little bit easier. All you do is you fold them in half. I don't think you need 6 actually. I normally only use 5, but we'll see. I'm just going to do that. Pull it together. Do the next 6. The next one. Like that, so they're definitely in between each one. I'm going to do that one next, and then squeeze that one in there like that. And that one squeezes in there. Let me just get that in there. Like that. That's better. Like that. Now that seems a little bit off. It's better. Yeah, you just have to be careful with them. And so to that, I just think some of these will look nice. Now, hang on, because I've got some stuck underneath. A nice colour, like a purpley pink. Actually, I'm going to cut them. because I don't think you need much. Although, I do think a nice doily would look nice. So I'm just going to see what we have. Oh, I think this one, maybe. Yeah. I think that one will look nice. Just for the centre. Like that. And then we stick these in. So one there. One there. And one there. Do you know what? I think that's all you need for a flower like that. Very quick, very easy to make. Now we can add leaves and whatnot. In fact, I think we'll do that. And again, I'm going to use this green just to enhance that flower a little bit more. Let's have a look at this. Done wide enough. Or wide enough that way so that I can do a long leaf. And then I'm just going to pop those there as well. See, like that. Yeah. And then I do have a little bit of pink feather. Oh, I've got some of these, you know, that's I can use these. Let's just see. They're gorgeous feathers. Look at those. Let's do this. Just little tufts of them, you don't need much. And you just twist. And do that. And they can sit in there every now and again. Yeah, I've got some pink here. You're not going to see the back of it, so it doesn't matter how pink it is. That's pink anyway. Like you say, you can have these as a choker, wear them as a choker if you're going out. Wear them to fancy dress, wear them to special occasions. Whatever it is you want to wear them for. Now, let me just sort out my glue sticks. Because again, I run out so fast. Right. So that's that. And there's another one. Pretty. Well, just to do that. like that. Now, you can keep them as they are if that's what you want to do, or you can change them. I mean, they'll fit on anything or in anything, they're little flower filler, or you can put a stamen in the middle if you want to. But then what I generally do is, where's my green? There we are, I've got it. So I've got this. That's a bit wide, so I'm going to use a smaller one. Like that. Put your hole in it. Like that. And while it's on there, I'm going to hold it and do this. Just to singe it. And then it's ready for me. Right, and then what you do is you take this, cut the length you need, and you can, when you can get that through the bloody hole, the fibres get in the way. Right, open up, put that in. Obviously you need to glue that then. Right, and then you'll hold on to it and just squeeze that together. Like that. And that's when you can start and use your flame to hold that down. See? And then you can put in your little stamen. He's got little pointed tips on, so you can buy stamen in different, you know, ways. But make your own. I've shown you, I've got videos how to make your own stamen. So then you'll just take that, pop that in the middle of there, and do that. And you've got your own little flower. And then you can add your little section underneath, or keep it as is, it doesn't matter. But there you can use that to dangle from a flower or whatever, you know, like you've done, like I've shown you before. So that's how you can do that. And there's lots of different ways to do them. You just have to work out which is best way or easiest way for you. You know, once you've shown something, it's run with it, but do it your way. These are only guidelines of how to do something. So again, they're only ever guidelines. What's comfortable for one crafter may not be comfortable for another. And they may want to put their own spin on it. And you should put your own spin on things. You know, you should. Sorry if I'm not in view. I don't mean to be out of view. So like I say, they are easy. They're nice little flower fillers as well. And hope that's helpful. I could put them in. Oh look, I'm going to do this because I can, as a contrast, just here where those are. Look, because I can. Just two. Oh, no, I've got to use them up now. Oh, I like that. I'm going to use 3 of them up. It'll have nothing to hold on to, I don't think. Only there. I know you can't really see those leaves, but I like that. A little contrast. Why not? They're cute. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.